Do you really want to make money with your phone using your Telegram app? Yes, not the regular tap 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 that you guys have been doing on Telegram. So I'm going to be showing you an app on Telegram that you can make easy money from. You are not going to do any tap 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 tax or what has been going on Telegram. So in today's video, I'm going to introduce you to Sui Bison. I'm going to be breaking down the basics of this app and how you can make money using this platform. So sit back and enjoy this video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, click on the subscribe button, like my video, comment in the comment section below, and I'm going to reply to all your comments. So without further ado, let me show you how you can make easy and cool cash with Sui Bison. Welcome back guys to my screen. So before I start this video, if you want to join this project, you can grab my referral link in the description below. So after you've clicked on the referral link, it's going to bring you to this dashboard like this. So as you guys can see, I've already deposited about $6 of Sui, and as you can see, my earning, my available earning is reading 0.7 Sui. So I started this project about a week ago, and the Sui Bison app is a staking platform whereby you're going to stake your Sui. So you're going to deposit Sui cryptocurrency into this Sui Bison app, and you're going to be rewarded with your staking timeline. So the first thing that we do is to click on the deposit button and deposit some amount of Sui into this app right now. So as you guys can see, there's a little bit of instruction here that we should follow. It says send Sui to address below on the Sui network to automatically stake your Sui. Minimum deposit is 1 Sui plus 0.1 Sui, which is the gas fee. So what this instruction is all about is that we should, when sending the Sui into this address here, so after if you want to send to this address, we should use the Sui network, not any other network. I'm going to grab this link right now, my exchange, to deposits about 1.6 Sui in this project right now. So follow along guys. On the Bybit app, I'm going to be sending some amount of Sui into this Bison app right now. So I'm going to click on it, click on deposit, click on withdraw. You can see Sui. I'm going to hold and insert the wallet address. I'm going to insert the wallet address here. So I'm going to click the Sui network. As you guys can see, the Sui network. So I'm going to click it, and I'm going to press max. So I want to withdraw all this right now. So I'm going to click on confirm, and I'm going to confirm this. So right now guys, I've withdrawn this amount to the Sui Bison app. So I'm going to go to Sui Bison and show you the continuation. So guys, on the Sui Bison app, it has been about 2 to 3 minutes that I've sent the token to this Sui, but it has not entered. So what I will advise you should do in this scenario is to come to this deposit option again, click on the deposit option, and click on the initialize stake. So I'm going to click on initialize stake, and as you can see, it's processing, and you'll see your stake balance will be updated shortly. So they've acknowledged that I've transferred the sum of 1 Sui into their platform, and it's going to reflect shortly. My balance now is 9.8 $8, so about 3.5 Su right now in my balance. So guys, this is how to deposit into this Sui Bison app, and I will take you to the token section right here. The token section right here. I'm going to click on the token section, and here, as you guys can see, you see your Bison token SBT. So this is their native token, the Sui Bison token. So before, the Sui Bison token that I have was about 42, and right now, as I deposited 1 Su, they added about 28. So what they did is that they removed 10% off from the Su token that I deposited. They deducted 10% and used it to purchase this Sui Bison token for me. So this is how I got this 62 Sui Bison token. So this Sui Bison token will be launched at the first quarter of 2025. So it's going to be that token, and hopefully it's going to launch with a very good price. So this is one of the benefits of this app. You will be getting your staking reward of Su, and at the same time get the Sui Bison token also. So this is a great platform, guys, to like earn free money, passive income, guys. This is an example of passive income. If you guys have been finding a way to like earn money online passively, this is a very good platform for you guys to check out. So this has bring me to the end of this video. If you find this video educative and informative, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so that whenever I drop another video, you're going to be notified. Use the comment section to drop your comment, and I'm going to respond to that also.